was to kind of understand from the entrepreneurs what specifically needs they have that CWE can kind of help them with. Shilpa and Jyoti, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿನಾ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, or is it okay to?
Yeah, comfortable.
You're okay in English?
Yeah, both. Yeah.
Okay. Nandita is only English, I think, talking in English.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So just to say, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವಳೇನೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕನ್ನಡದವಳು, so I can we can help you like that. So the main idea here is that we are quite familiar and we have been around in metros like Bangalore, and we think we have a fair this one idea of how to help entrepreneurs in this space. But we are very keen to come to areas like Mysore. Allu ivaga entrepreneurship has spread quite a bit. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So specifically in Mysore kind of region, what kind of guidance would you need? Nammalli, we have about 24 catalysts, and our members also, some of them with very established businesses who have been in business for more than 5-10 years. Very eager to help other women. So women community, that is one great thing that we are also learning, and we feel very confident about that. We help each other and we actually like to do that. So as a community we want to grow. So that those kind of opportunities are definitely here, but also to understand directly from you in terms of how we can help. Namma advisors are there. We can come up with a program where we can have a proper 3-month program with specific stages in how do you incubate, how do you start a business, how do you incorporate it, how do you bring in, how do you go to the market, how do you brand your product, how do you kind of team and scale it, make it a more, and then and ultimately hopefully you're at a stage where you can bring in outside money. Been putting a lot of effort and energy into, and we are hoping that we can start something like this in Mysore. But in the meantime, we also want to see if there is some one-on-one help that we can work with. So Nivella, you might have met with Shri. Shri is one of our very old members who has been working with CWE, and she is our Mysore champion. In fact, through her only we get to know a lot of the requirements in Mysore and things. But we would like to take this forward. Adike, we wanted to meet today and see what are the specific needs. So in that sense, Nandita, since we are only these few, I would like you to kind of tell us a little bit about maybe even how Shri helped you and how we can help you now take that forward. I know that you've been working one-on-one with Sucharita, but for the benefit of everybody, if you can, kind of brief us on where you are and how we can help you take your business forward.
Maina, if you allow, may I just give a little context about CWE so that they can
sure.
That.
Yeah. Yes.
So
definitely.
I started CWE in 2017 because I saw that there were so many women who were already doing business or wanting to start a business. And but there was no platform which was meant exclusively for them, and they needed to find a space for themselves. So that's what encouraged me to start it. And like Maina said earlier, the platform we've designed is meant to give the women entrepreneurs support in getting started and also growing an existing business, and particularly with getting ready and accessing finance and markets, which are the two major challenges that most businesses face. Also, we found that business skills, which are required to run a business is also something women don't feel very confident about always. So that is also something that we do ongoingly. Now that you are there in our network, you will get the notifications of training workshops, other kinds of skill building things which we do, and you are welcome to join them. We also found, as I said, that a network where we are just like how we are talking now, and we share about what challenges we are facing, and then there may be someone else, like Nandita was sharing earlier, that she is trying to reach out to another entrepreneur who is doing food, and to understand from her what are some of the, how to get through some of the hurdles which any new entrepreneur faces. So that's the kind of space that we have created. And we are particularly interested in Mysore because, we found that it's a very good ecosystem. There are good educational institutions. There are very good entrepreneurs already there. Our Mysore champion is Sri Desi Raju, who all of you know, who's such a role model and success story. And she is somebody that CWE has worked very closely with from the time that she was planning to start her business, supporting her through starting that business, and then making it so successful as she is now. So she is our role model. She's also our champion. And she's been telling us, please, let's work in Mysore. And so last January, 20th of January, we came to Mysore. We did an event with Thai Mysore. And I think Nandita, you were there, and one of you were there, I think, no? Jyoti, maybe?
No. No.
So, that's the time from when we've been thinking we would like to work with women in Mysore. And then the pandemic came and everything got into the back burner. It was very difficult. Everyone got busy with trying to make their business survive. And then, Shri kept telling us. So in August, she led another online meeting where she spoke to quite a number of women entrepreneurs. I don't know if any of you were there for that meeting in August last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. I am in there, sir. I am in there.
Okay. So yeah, so that is what has happened so far. And now we feel that it's time we want to get started. So, and see how we can work more closely to support you in growing your business. So, one example of somebody we are already working with is Nandita Kumar. I don't know if you've met her before, Shilpa and Jyoti. Have you met her?
No.
Okay, so I jumped in the middle. Maina was asking you to share, so it's back to you, Nandita.
Okay, so hi, I'm Nandita Kumar, and
Hi.
I too, I think like Sucharita said, when they had come to Mysore, she asked me to come and attend the function. And I feel that when women want to step out and start doing something on their own, generally, unless they are very well supported or they have very good family support, it's very difficult to achieve. And for me particularly, I find, because I don't speak Kannada, I'm considered an outsider basically. It's very difficult to get things happening. So I asked Shri, because I was thinking of starting a business, and many ideas in my head, and I joined CWE in February or March of last year. And since then, it's been tough. It's not been easy, because we are wanting to, I've started just about launching. We haven't launched yet. Making soya paneer. I don't know whether you're familiar with it, Shilpa and Jyoti. So, but it's very difficult. We were finding a lot of issues with compliance and regulations and licensing and nutrition profiling and all these things. And just yesterday, in fact, we were on another call with CWE, and there I met a couple of ladies who are already in the business of food, manufacturing food. And I'm having a big struggle with packaging right now. And I don't know who to go to. It's very difficult to find people, especially in Mysore, because it's, everything is happening in Bangalore. And so CWE has been very helpful, whether it comes to, financing. How do you make a business plan? I had no idea how to make a business plan and how to, take it forward, how to do financing, where to get the money from, how to do the MSME registrations. All of these things, I think it's been very helpful. Of course, a lot of it one has to do oneself. It's not that they are, but there are so many ladies out here who are like Shri. Shri is a good friend of mine also, who started quite late in life. And I don't know about Shilpa and Jyoti. I think, I'm sort of, my children are all grown up and, they are all working and things like that. And now I felt that I wanted to.
I'm also same case.
Yeah.
I also started late.
Yeah. And I think, it's, there are 20,000 people who will say to you that, and it's very encouraging to hear that, you are doing rasam and different rasams and different sambar and all in a state where, every other place you get rasam powder and you get sambar powder and thousands of it. And, and I'm sure a lot of people probably told you that, no, nobody will buy your powder. It's useless to start. And, all these kind of things which I'm facing. A lot of people are telling me that, it's a waste of time. You will not make any successful, business or whatever. But I think
Yes.
One has to give it a go. Otherwise, one will never start. No, I think.
Exactly.
So, yeah. So I'm actually in the midst of getting my GST registration and trying to understand all these different sort of compliance issues, because I don't want afterwards somebody to come and start saying that, you don't have this and you don't have that and things like that, because I'm manufacturing. I can't, I need a machine. So Jyoti, tell me, how are you doing it when you say you're making powders? How do you dehydrate your, I know rasam has different ingredients. So how do you make it into powder form?
I'll fry first. I'll fry.
Yeah.
And I'll have a huller machine.
Okay.
Yeah, I grind it there.
Okay, and then you make it into, and then you dry it
Yeah,
and then grind it.
Yes.
Okay, so how long does this process take you?
It depending on the quantity.
Okay.
For example, if for 1 kg, I took 2 hours.
Okay. 1 kg of rasam powder. So you grind
1
all,
kg,
you make
yeah,
all.
for full. For
Okay.
taking the ingredients and fry it, and then I'll grind it and I pack it, packaging, including all.
Ladies, Maina, with your permission, I'd like to, sign off now because I am going out of town. So if you will please excuse me. Maina is our senior team member, and as you can see, she is leading this meeting. I'd also like to introduce Sunita. Sunita is from Mysore, recently moved to Bangalore, and she has been an entrepreneur while she was in Mysore. So you please do reach out to her for any help, especially she supports our members. And we also have Ananya. Will you be able to come on camera?
I don't think so.
You
Give
don't
me a
have
minute.
bandwidth.
I will just try to go out and connect.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
So Ananya is in charge of our communication. So, all of us are here. There are 2 people who are not in this meeting, who are Purnima and Ayushri. And if you become part of our network and our membership, you'll meet all of them at some point or the other. So with your permission, I'd like to take my leave because I have to go out of town now. So Maina, back to you. Is that okay?
Sure. Yeah, thank you, Sucharita. You have a good drive.
Thank you.
And yeah. No, thanks for that, Nandita. I think it was very kind of insightful to see what is the kind of journey you've had, right? One thing, I mean, I was just for the benefit of everybody here, I was wondering if you could, I know you mentioned that the whole, part of how do you register, how do you get your GST, and in terms of some of these regulations was where your problem was, right? Getting licenses and regulations. And there you think your association with Shri was useful? I'm just trying to, at least amongst the three of us, whoever's here, we are trying to come up with a model that might work for all of us in terms of how we can support and also see how we can then scale
Hello.
in my
Hello.
if you tell us a little bit of you worked specifically see
Maina, I can't hear you very well. Is it
my
mine?
structure audible?
No,
Hello?
Maina is losing a connection.
Yeah, Maina, we didn't hear you very well.
Oh,
Well, but I get the gist of what you're saying. If I could just say it, you know, what happened is that I found that, I don't know about Shilpa and Jyoti, and I'm sure, it was the first when I decided to start, everybody's advice to me was just go to the market and see, if your product will sell. But I think what happens is that, especially today, at least I'm of that opinion, that we can't, the government has come down very heavily during this pandemic. A lot of people, I think housewives started making things from home, chutneys, jams, baking items and things like that from home. And there are a lot of food safety issues that one has to take when I spoke to somebody in CFTR, she kind of just told me, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
yeah, we can.
She
Nandita.
She just told me, she says, don't waste your time registering your company. Don't waste your time registering, getting an FSSAI license. You first go to the market and see, is your product going to sell or not? And I was a little scared to do that because I feel that if, God forbid something happens without a license and things like that, and that is still a worry for me. I still feel, I don't know about Shilpa and Jyoti, because you're also, selling, Shilpa especially, Jyoti, I think fried powders, at least you're cooking. I don't know what Shilpa's process is, but have you gone through the entire, nutrition analysis and things like that?
Ma'am,
No.
ma'am, hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Ma'am, I got the license from the CFTRI, ma'am. That's the CFTRI product only. That banana stem juices. I got all the licensing from the CFTRI only.
Who did you? Because I would be. I mean, while CWE, I think the platform is that there are a lot of people, especially I think financing and regulatory work. There are a lot of ladies who are doing this, but I think how to manage the money if you have a business, how to spend, what are you spending on, what are your business goals, where are we? I'm a very almost like a housewife wanting to start a business, but I've had to learn that one has to get a registration, you have to register it with the government. I mean, and all these things, which I found it very difficult to do personally. And I'm sure there are a lot of ladies who find, starting, I wanted to quit many times. But I think because I have a partner who is she's more positive and optimistic. So she kind of kept pushing me and saying, no, we'll do it. We'll go through it. So I've not quit. But yesterday I connected with a couple of people from CWE. So I feel that, if we are going to, what are the challenges? I think, Maina, what we can ask Shilpa and Jyoti is what are the challenges they have faced or are facing,
Yeah.
from the point of view, because I know what I face. If there are
Yeah.
any challenges at all, like, packaging, say Jyoti has gone to, how did she connect with the the industry? Because a lot of industries, when I wanted to talk to them, wanted, where I'm doing it from, and the fact that I was I didn't have a business address, they had a problem with it. So I want to ask Jyoti how she's negotiated that.
Yeah. So Nandita, as I hear from you, um, it's uh, it's interesting. I think that there are some very structural issues in terms of how do you structure the starting of a company, right? What do you do first,
Yeah.
and especially in sectors. I mean, in all three of you
Yeah.
are in the food sector, so I think there's that commonality here. But depending on each sector, I'm sure there is a different approach to it, right? I mean, how critical is it? Your licensing, your registrations, and also the government looks at different sectors differently. So I think that's one very good point. And I see that an organization like CWE, which does have these people amongst as members itself, and also, as I mentioned, other successful entrepreneurs who have already been doing this. And that's, I think, what Sucharita has put you in touch with, people who have been in the food business. So I definitely see that as something that we can, work on. The other thing that you mentioned, two other things that I caught on was the skill itself of business, right? In terms of how do you manage finances, when do you do what, in terms of the finances, like how much money do you put up front, how much do you bring in, how do you plan that, and going up to the market kind of thing. So that I look as an overall skill development. Again, there we have specific trainers and even people within the membership, I mean members, who can actually give us sessions on it. You specifically mentioned business plan. Our Catalyst also could give you a template, like these are the things that you would look at when we are talking about
That's
a business
how I did
plan.
it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the another thing that I really hear, and I feel that that's another very, very important piece that maybe we don't focus on enough, is you mentioned the support that you're getting from your partner. Yeah. So just the support of the community. It could be a one-on-one, a person that we work with closely, like you have done with Shri also, I know. Or it could be just the whole community, like our WhatsApp group. I don't know, Nandita, if you use it enough or whatever, you just put it out about your packaging, for example.
Absolutely.
You're having this difficulty. Even if you just put out a message saying, hey, I'm looking at how do I package my products. Because I know that recently, Ananya, if you remember, there was a message out, somebody looking for, of course, this was in the training space, somebody who's looking for some knowledge on, gender equality programs.
Yes, the
and
message was circulated 2 or 3 days back, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And immediately we got about 4 or 5 people
Yes,
who gave her different references. Yeah. So, Nandita, if you don't mind, if you can put that out, because I know there are a few people who are already working with packaging these kind of material. They should definitely be able to help you with it. So, thanks for that. And I was just giving a framework around, how we look at these things. So on that sense, the other things are actually easier.
Yes, and next month, but ಇದೇ ತರ ನಂಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So yes, next my big challenge is marketing only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How can I market? Because I'll go for B2B or B2C. That confusion, I have it in that confusion in my mind.
Yeah. Interestingly, like I said, you are actually in a B2C product, but somehow you've taken off on a B2B market, which is very good. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾವು CW ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು B2B is a more steady market. Of course, ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ದಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ if you turn this into the canteens in these big IT parks, if they start buying your products, those become real B2B. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ B2B2C, right? So generally they are then again gifting it to the customers. But no, I think point noted. I do see that market is probably the biggest challenge. But what are your issues around what Nandita said in terms of how did you do your registering? ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫುಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅವರು ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆತರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್?
FSSAI ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್, GST ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಅದು 5,000 to 6,000 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now I have 12 to 13 products. Right now I have 12 to 13 products. I have 13 products ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು 6,000 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ money,
maybe unnecessary also at this point.
Unnecessary also.
Correct.
So ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 100 ಕಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ 100 ಏನು ನನ್ನ 10 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ 10 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಚ್ ನನ್ನ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 1,000 rupees ಒಂದ್ ಕಿಟ್ ತರ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಅರೌಂಡ್ 100 ಕಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 1 lakh rupees ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ 1 lakh ನಾನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಜೆನಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay, the customers itself, is it?
Yeah. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅದೇ ಯಾರು 100 ಗಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೈ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕಿಚನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೀಗ.
ನೀವ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್?
ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೋಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪೋಚಸ್ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
And if I may ask, Jyoti, what kind of help did you get? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Are you doing all of this by yourself, or do you have any partners or any help? I'm just wondering, ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ actually, for having started just in October. I think you have done a lot of work already, right? I mean, you have put out this, you have figured out a way to bundle your product, you have figured out a way to price it and sell it, and you've got your customer, you have reinvested. Eshtu concepts helta idira neevu. So I don't know how ingeniously you have figured all this out, but I'm also interested to know nimge hege inroads into this. Nimge ee tara ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್?
FSSAI GST ಎಲ್ಲ again I met with Shri.
Okay, nice.
She guided me to take FSSAI and GST registration.
Okay, good. So you have been in touch with Shri. No, good to know, because I feel at that stage, like Nandita rightly pointed out, somebody who has done this before and who has a little knowledge, who they can advise you, then it would be good. So nim prakara ivaga your next challenge is that only, right? One is to open up your market, and the other one I do think is to scale. is
Yes.
to actually see how to scale your operations so that if you get these orders, how do you work with it?
Exactly.
Okay. No, good to hear that.
But my product,
hmm.
ಜನರಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ, ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್
Correct.
ವೆರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ನ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yeah. No, I do.
Andre for old people or
Correct.
bachelors,
Yeah.
working
No, I
ladies,
think
men.
what Nandita was trying to say was that food in general is a crowded market, but it is also true that food is a never dying market. I think it only your quality and your branding also. I think food is a place where people go by. Ivaga eshte agli nan monne I went and bought MTR rasam powder for the same thing. Adeno instant like Maggi noodles it is. Hakittu adಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ರಸಂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So like MTR I think was one of the first to package and make all these kind of South Indian foods instant. But ಅದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So I don't necessarily think that you should not pursue it. I think food is a great market to be in. But also what I am hearing, Jyoti, is that ಈ market sustain ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ what is your USP? Andre, how do you brand yourself? How do you say I am different from the others, or none product is better than the others? Adu on solpa ನೀವು marketing material ತರ you will have to develop. You will have to figure out how do you say that your product is better or good. Like how do you survive in this market, right? Ivaga ನೀವು you have done this through the connections, which might be a very good way to market. Ivaga one I have been using a company called Farms to Families. I don't know if any of you have heard about them. They are very local here in Bangalore, and they market through apartment complexes. They do dosa hittu. Fresh dosa hittu, which comes to our homes by 7 in the morning. And they do through apartment complexes. They have WhatsApp groups. So some marketing strategy, the reason I tell you that is it's a very, very good marketing strategy to penetrate in apartment complexes, and each apartment complex has a WhatsApp group. Now a group ಮೂಲಕನೇ order ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and it comes to our security. So we have to figure out some of these marketing things that might place you in a better stable place. So this so we can work on that. So Shilpa,
Yes, ma'am.
over to you to understand from you what how your journey has been and what your challenges are.
Ma'am, can I speak in Kannada?
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಂದಿತಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, but I will interject a little, Nandita, and
Ma'am,
No
industry
problem.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನನ್ಗೆ CFTRI ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ DSL ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗು, ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸಿಂಗು, ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ DSA and ourselves only. But I had a problem. Is the big issue is the marketing. That is the difficult part. That packaging material that Nandita madam is saying, that packaging solution I got from the CFTRI only.
Okay.
Shilpa, I'm in fact going to ask you separately, but that's a different. I'll get in touch with you. Who did you speak to in CFTRI?
Machi, Rajesh Machi.
Okay.
That packaging solution is there, ma'am, in CFTRI.
Okay.
But that TTBT head Satyendra is cooperating with us very nicely, ma'am. That's CFTRI peoples are very helpful, ma'am. I think I have worked 2 years to start my products, ma'am.
Shilpa, if you can just on the chat, just give me the name and number of this person, because I'm struggling, because I don't want to do the industry standards. You know, I don't want to do vacuum packing.
No,
and I need to
ma'am.
understand.
Just rather than that, rather than marketing, I got a very good support from the Mysore Institute, especially in the CFTRI and also in the DSC, District Industries and Commerce.
Can you just
And
share
even
this number
also
on the
in
chat, please?
Okay, ma'am. I will send you. And also from the FSCS, I got a very good person who support me very goodly, ma'am.
Obviously, they're supporting you. I'm struggling with that.
No, ma'am, I got everything in order in the first year. I got I started very neatly without planning the marketing, ma'am. Even marketing, I also managed it initially, but that client backfired. That got me my business got lost, ma'am.
Oh.
So
Even-
Nandita, it
Yeah.
seems like Shilpa has some good relations with
Yeah.
CFTRI.
I would definitely
Yeah.
love somebody in CFTRI, because, you know, I've heard very horrible stories about CFTRI that, you know, they will not help and things like that. And because I don't speak Kannada, I feel sometimes, you know, that could be a challenge, because neither me or my partner speak Kannada. We both are. So sometimes we feel that is probably
No,
the reason
ma'am.
why
Even Kannada is a not issue, ma'am. Even they speaks only English, Tamil, Telugu.
Please,
Just
can you just share on the chat box? Please share the number and the name of this person. I'm desperate. So
okay, ma'am.
I don't want to go. Yeah, I don't want to go beyond, you know, because Bangalore for us, then you understand that, you know, we are sitting in Mysore, then go to Bangalore, then spend the day, then meet, then
No, ma'am.
sit.
Whatever the solution we need, we got here only, ma'am. Instead of going to Bangalore,
Yeah.
I got everything here only, ma'am. Just everything I got here only, ma'am. Instead of going to Bangalore, even
Yeah.
purchasing machinery, I got here only. I purchased 2 machinery from the Hyderabad and Coimbatore. That is the difficult part to me to manage to repair something service
Yeah.
problem. The machinery which I got from the Mysore, that is very easy to manage, ma'am.
So
I'm
Nandita,
fortunate. Yeah.
Nandita, I think, and I might be wrong here, but her product itself is something that was conceived and has been researched in
Done
CFTRI.
by CFTRI. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes,
I
ma'am,
think
as-
But
that's
you know,
True. Correct. Howdu.
you know, Maina, but the thing is, I think what happens is that CFTRI is supposed to be. I mean, my parents live on an organic farm, and when I remember we had a problem with some mango tree issue, my mother just walked into CFTRI, and you know, one of the scientists there, he was very helpful. But the point is, after that, I think sitting on, you know, the pandemic means you can't go to CFTRI. You have to pick up the phone
right.
and call. And that becomes very difficult to contact, because they are either not at their desk, or now it's not a good time, or now they're not, or work from home, or we've had huge issues with that. I don't know whether it is just because of that, you know, really struggling. So if Shilpa can just help me with the name and number, then maybe he can put me on to, you know, other people
Yes,
who
ma'am. I
might be able
got
to
so many people there who are in the higher position. So whoever helped me.
Shilpa,
You're very.
ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಅವರೇ,
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗಾಗ್ಲೇ 3ನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ 3ನೇ ಅವ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಗಿ TTBT ಹೆಡ್ ಸತ್ಯೇಂದ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇವರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಚಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ನನ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ CFTRI ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 2 years ನಾನು ಓಡಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 2 years ಓಡಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇವನ್ ನನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು CFTRI ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೊರತು ನಾನು ಇದು ಅಂತ.
ಸೊ ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ, ವೆರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇವನ್ DSC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಆ DSC ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ನನ್ಗೊಬ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವುಮನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇವನ್ ನನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊಲಾಟ್ರಲ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕೊಲಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವನ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಏನೇ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಾನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈವನ್ ನಾನ್ DFRL ನನ್ಗೆ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿದು ಗೈಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈವನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್, ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 years. ದೆನ್ ನಾನೀಗ ಶ್ರೀಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನೀಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೌಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾನೀಗ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟೋನಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಬೆಸಿಟಿಗೆ 3 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Shilpa, sorry. I would recommend you should join CWE, because there is one member, in fact, yesterday, she's talking, she is a global aggregator of health products.
Okay.
And she will be able to, she is very open to procuring these health products, like she does moringa tea and, you know, all these products for the market in the UAE and the US.
Okay.
What I would recommend is for you to join CWE. I'm sure you know, are you a member already?
No, ma'am. I'm not add, ma'am.
You should, because there
Okay,
are
ma'am, I
lots
will.
of
ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಅವ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಅವರೇ,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ CW ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್
madam,
ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್
ನನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
there
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
is
ನನ್ಗೆ.
just yesterday one lady, she's in a global market. She'll
Yes,
buy your product and export it.
Yes, ma'am. I think you told ma'am that you and UI members that what that problem what that my product has, it has a rich fiber, ma'am. It has 55%
There
of
you
fiber.
are. So all,
Yeah.
you know, what you should do is just join the CWE, get in
Yes,
touch
ma'am.
with Ananya, and she will connect you to, there are so many
Yes,
ladies who are
definitely.
aggregating health products.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. I will join.
Because
I think
if that is your issue, there it's very easily, because you've managed to figure out everything else. They will, you know, help you rebrand it, package it, and sell it in the global market.
Oh, that's why, ma'am, I am looking for the B2B. B2C is difficult. I tried in the market for the 2 years. It is very difficult.
Not the local market, Shilpa. I would say that you should be expanding, and this is they are the platform, because they are aggregating. So they are looking for people who are doing it. And if it is powder, then it's easily transportable.
Yes,
and
ma'am. It
everything.
has
Very,
2
very
years
easy
shelf
for
life,
you.
ma'am. It has 2 years shelf life. I take it as a soup form, ma'am. I tried it in
Ananya,
Yes,
Shilpa, just get in touch with Ananya.
just
You
get in
should,
touch with me. And I think yesterday only few people joined. So I think if we put it out in the group, there will be more people who will be interested.
Yeah,
that's
a good point,
marketing
Ananya.
is the easiest thing.
Yes, ma'am.
so
Yes, ma'am. I will join, ma'am.
Yeah, so thank you
And
for
then
that,
you'll
Nandita.
definitely get a lot of people who will buy the product or will work with you to help you find a market outside, you know, whether it is rest of India or Middle East or the US. It's very simple, because they are already established in that space.
Yeah,
It
I
is
think that is the...
It is a dietary prebiotic, ma'am. That powder we have manufactured, that is a dietary prebiotic. It helps in so many things, ma'am.
Yeah,
that is the same for Jyoti also, I think. Jyoti, I know that it is very early on, but like you are saying, you're already also wondering how to keep that market. As Nandita pointed out, it is not even just the local market, but it is to be able to get, you know, to the international market, where actually some of these health products are much more in demand than within India.
In India,
So
for
these
sure,
indigenous products. So rightly put, Nandita. I think the first thing would be, I mean, we would be more than happy to welcome you as members. You should become members, both Jyoti and Shilpa. And even just, and as I told Nandita, even whatever question you have, if you just put out on our WhatsApp group, you will immediately get response from within our core team also, and from the members itself. Marketing is one of the key areas
biggest issue.
that I know that, most any entrepreneur is struggling with. And just becoming a member and putting your product out into our network itself would give you a big boost. In fact, Ananya, so Ananya is our communication, I mean, she's just started as an intern,
Yes.
but hopefully she will take our social media to the rest of the world. So we are looking at, so ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವ್ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳನ್ನ ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್, ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, we want to showcase these things so that not only CWE network but outsiders also know about you, and that way these collaborations happen. These are not direct market opportunities maybe, but these are definitely for collaboration opportunities and opening up the market. So Shilpa, very and we would be very happy to have you as a member, because nim mulka I think lot of the Mysore entrepreneurs would be very benefited because of your really good relationships with CFTRI. I feel that ivaga Jyoti kuda anta idru scaling, machinery hege and all that. So I'm sure CFTRI would be helpful there also. So I think these kind of ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, interactions ಗೆ is where CWE brings the value.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so that would be great to have you on board. So Ananya, I know that you were asking me if you want to put up that slide of the membership,
Yes,
but I
ma'am.
think we have told them what the benefits are.
Yes, I will
better than
send
the-
it to them directly now.
Yeah,
The mail ID.
yeah.
And but before that, I would like Shilpa to add in the chat box regarding the contact details so that Nandita can take that up for now.
Yes, please,
Uh,
Shilpa. I really am quite. Or I can
Okay,
share
ma'am,
my number with you.
Can
One
share
second.
share me, ma'am. I didn't got any chart number. Which number you add? You got my
This
number,
is-
ma'am?
No, this is the chat. If you
Illa.
look down at the bottom.
Where, ma'am?
It's okay, Shilpa. You can give me your number
okay,
and
okay,
email ID. I can send you Nandita's
Okay,
details.
okay. I
And-
will
yeah.
send you, ma'am. I will send you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I can get in touch with Shilpa directly, and I can
Yes.
find out from her.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Now only I will send you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, no, great. It's always great to see this, when you just sit on a call, and even if it's
Yeah,
as few
so
as
many
3 people,
opportunities.
yeah, so many things get closed. Yeah, I'm sure you've been
Yeah.
Yes.
thinking you're alone in this, Nandita, but I think all it takes is to just be more, participate more in these kind of things. So, and Shilpa and Jyoti, of course, Nandita also. So if you know of other people, especially in
Yeah.
Mysore, who are also in this kind of space, who are looking for marketing ugly. I realize that a lot of you have figured out other things, but even if it is marketing, so if you can all, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ reference ಮೂಲಕ, if you can even make a batch of people, we can see what specifically we can do. But ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, people will know you and people will be able to help and take the, help you with the marketing things. So that is, I think that's the next step. Ene Shilpa aure, Jyoti,
Okay.
I think it would be great to be a part of this, and ಅದ್ರ
Yeah.
ಮೂಲಕ we'll figure out ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ we have about 24 experts, and we have quite a few members like Shri, who are specialized in different things. Shri has been very useful, I know, because she's also kind of partly in the food pharma space, alva. So she knows this space a little bit. But nimge innen help gadruno, it will be, we can connect you with whoever you need, right? So first, let us also grow this network, anta. So if you know of other people who would be looking for these kind of help and support, and who have just started, ಏನilla andruno, even if you just talk
I'm
to 2-3 other
sorry.
people.
Maina, I'm so sorry. I'm going to have to beg off. I've got to run. I've got a call. And I've
Yeah.
got to take this
No,
call.
we are
I'm
also
so sorry. Lovely
closing.
to meet you, Jyoti and Shilpa. And Myra, you too. And if there's anything else, please do let me know. And thank you so much.
Yeah,
Bye,
thanks for
Nandita.
joining.
Especially.
Thank you
Yeah,
for joining, Nandita.
Sorry.
Thank you, Nandita, for
Thank you,
joining.
Nandita, for joining.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thanks.
Bye
Nandita.
Nandita.
Bye. Bye.
So same here, Jyoti, Shilpa, ನಿಮ್ಗೂನು ತುಂಬಾ thanks ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. For membership ನೋಡಿ, Ananya will send you an email also with all the details. Sunita ಅವರೇ membership ಮಾಡೋದು. So Sunita, why don't you give them a call and explain to them the
ಖಂಡಿತ
details again?
ಖಂಡಿತ
Huh?
Okay.
ಖಂಡಿತ madam.
And ನೀವು members ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ you will see the benefit of this network anta. That is
Okay.
our thing. But beyond that, if there are any specific needs that you have, I know I have noted down marketing. We'll see what kind of marketing specific help we can figure out. But other anything else you might have also, you can always work with Sunita.
Yeah. Okay.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಅವರೇ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Okay, ma'am.
details ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನನ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, sure. I
Okay.
have your mail IDs, so I will send all the details to you via your mail, and I have also put my contact details on the chat box. So
Yeah.
you can contact me directly, because mail sometimes it can get skipped out. So you can ping me directly on my WhatsApp, and I will send you all the details.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Shilpa, ನೀವು
Nice.
yeah, ನೀವು member, I mean, ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you will get access to that group.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
we will be able to immediately connect you to people who can help you with your marketing. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, we are hoping to see you with us soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Nice meeting
ಸೋಮವಾರ
you all.
ಸಿಗೋಣ, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ
Yeah,
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
nice meeting you, and
Okay,
all
ma'am.
the
Okay,
best.
chat, ma'am. Okay.
All the best in your efforts.
ಆಲ್ ದ
Thank you.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Shilpa,
you.
ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put on your video just to see?
I already met with you, ma'am, in Sri Lakshmi Desiraj ma'am office.
ಬಟ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮುಖ ಶಿಲ್ಪ.
Yes, I think I 1 minute, ma'am. I don't know how to open the video. Okay, but
There.
Ah.
Yeah.
I got ma'am.
Yes. Nice to see you, Shilpa. Very nice to see you.
I met with you,
And-
ma'am, in Sri Lakshmi Desiraj office. And
ಹೌದಾ?
also Jyoti, I met with you in one meeting.
ಹಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ.
I think that is your success, Shilpa. You are very good with
ಮೆಮೊರಿ, ವೆರಿ
yes,
ಗುಡ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ.
and you are very good with networking. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ everybody helps you so much. I think that is a very good skill that we all also need to learn. And
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice to know that you are getting so much support. Hopefully you can help other entrepreneurs also in
Yes,
Mysore.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I support,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Yeah. We will stay in touch. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.